Good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for sixth grade. The class is speaking and learn by music. Okay, this song you need to memorize in this turn. Remember, the idea is that you can speak, you can memorize, and you can sing. So you're going to have a participation score when you can memorize, when you can sing the song from John Lennon, Imagine. So the song for you is Imagine. It is a very short song. It's not too many words and it's going to be very simple for you. Remember, listen, repeat, and memorize the song. Listen, repeat, and memorize the song. All right? So this is going to be, you need to listen 100 times, 200 times. So let's go. Come on. You can practice the pronunciation. As I told you, what I need is you practice the pronunciation, okay? So keep in mind that that is the idea. Listen, read, and speak. Activity one, listen and repeat. Okay. Imagine, imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Oh, us only a sky. Listen and repeat. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell that belongs us. Above us only a sky. Imagine all the people living for today. All right? Repeat. Imagine all the people living for today. All right? Good. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or to die for, and no religion too. Repeat. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. All right, so you need to memorize. Repeat again, one more time. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Okay, memorize. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Repeat. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Spectacular. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say, I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will be as one. Spectacular. Repeat. You may say, I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us and the world will be as one. Okay? Very good. Let me repeat. You may say, I am a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will be as one. All right? Good. Imagine no possessions. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Wow. Repeat. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Okay? Get it this? Let me repeat. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. Okay? Repeat. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. All the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but repeat. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope, I hope someday you'll join us and will the world will live as one. Repeat. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I am not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. You see how wonderful it is. And that's all, nothing else. You see, this is not complicated. Very simple song from John Lennon. And let me see, check it up this, and you are going to listen a new version of Imagine. This man. So he's gonna sing here. Imagine all the people. I'm a dreamer. Listen. Okay, listen. This man, he's gonna sing. Imagine, imagine all the people. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell belong us. Above only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. You may say, I'm a dreamer, but not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will be one. Imagine all the people. Say, I'm a dreamer. So we're gonna finish this. So in your house, you listen and then memorize this wonderful song. This is nice song. It's for you. Listen in your house more versions about Imagine. No heaven. Imagine there's no heaven. This you try. Heaven belong on earth. Oh, only a sky.